To thank all of you, especially the Diplomatic Corps, for sharing this moment with us. And we are all very happy. We have this problem now. China, it's not worth the... I don't go to war. So if I do not, there's always war and peace. If I am not ready for war, then peace is the only thing. I will keep silent now, and the ambassador is there, but I would state my case before you. I will never bring the matter because it might lead only to the suspension of the talks with China, and that is not good, Mr. Ambassador. So I propose that we just have a soft landing everywhere. I will not use the judgment arbitral now, but I would one day sit in front of your representative or you, and then I will lay bare my position. And I would say that this paper, I cannot get out of the four corners of this document, and that is the arbitral judgment. But for now, Mr. Ambassador, I want to just talk to you for the moment. Maybe give us time to build our forces also. We have so much superiority. But if it comes to a parity between as many ships as you have, maybe, just maybe. But if we continue and treat each other with brothers and understand, especially the plight of the fishermen, and they're almost really... That's why they are there, because they are poor. And I know the dynamics inside China. It has been explained to me very well. But if the Chinese people this time might find a place in their hearts for the Filipinos. After all, I come from, there's a Chinese blood in me. So I hope that you treat us as your brothers, not your enemies, and take note of the plight of our citizens. Maraming salamat po.
Marami pong salamat sa ating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte para sa inyong napakagandang pananalita. Dito po nagtatapos ang ating palatuntunan kaugnay sa paggunita sa Pambansang Araw ng mga Bayaning Pilipino. Marami pong salamat sa inyong pagdalo at pakikiisa sa ating paggunitang ito.
Mahirap at kailangang kumita. Samantala, hindi raw titigil ang
Muli po maraming salamat sa ating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Palakpakan po natin muli ang ating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Atin pong inaanyayahan ang ating mga pinagpipitagan ng panauhin para sa salo-salo sa bulwagan ng mga bayani. Marami pong salamat.